In this video, we will talk about how to deal with hydrophilic sequences that are easily to absorb moisture. For this type of peptide, additional attention is required in the process of production and transportation. High hydrophilic sequences, especially dipeptides or tripeptides, have strong hydrophilicity to absorb water from the surroundings. This process is known as moisture absorption. In order to avoid this situation, during the synthesis process, researchers usually need to perform longer time lyophilization to remove as much moisture as possible and ensure the stability of the peptide. Even so, the following challenges may still remain. 1. In some cases, even if the peptides are treated with extended lyophilization time, they are still difficult to form an ideal powder state. This is usually due to the inherent properties of the sequence itself, or external environmental conditions such as humidity. 2. Even if the peptides are weighed immediately after lyophilization, it is quite difficult to completely avoid the moisture absorption. If the peptides have absorbed moisture before shipping, Changyao Bio will re-lyophilize them and fill with inert gas to ensure the quality and performance of our delivered products. 3. Some peptides may not appear to absorb moisture before shipping, but moisture absorption might also occur during the transportation. Generally, for a short sequence peptide, although moisture absorption is occurred, it usually does not affect the physiological activity of the peptide. Therefore, in the order processing, we will clearly inform our customers of the possibility of this moisture absorption phenomenon before delivery, and provide corresponding solutions. All in all, for peptides with strong hydrophilicity, during production, processing and transportation, it is very necessary to pay special attention to their moisture absorption characteristics and take appropriate measures to ensure their quality and performance. This is the end of this video. Follow Changyao Biology's video account to bring you more interesting and informative life science knowledge. We look forward to seeing you next time.